So, you see here, there's some little trains on the dragon. This is the red fire dragon. So, as you can see, there are chains, and these wings, you just hold these two things right here, and then close them up, and it folds together. And same with this one. And you can open them back up. You can flap, oh my gosh. You can flap them. Come on, Mr. Dragon Knight. You can move the tail. It's back here. You can wiggle the end of it. And there are some other people. These are the bad guys of the team. This is our friend Cole, my friend Cole right here, protecting the golden armor. This is the helicopter. And just so you know, the golden armor will get chosen to the first Banjitsu master. I don't think you guys have ever watched Ninjago before, but I have watched almost all the episodes that there are right now. Well, I'm a kid. So, my friend Cole is protecting the golden armor. He will be protecting the golden armor for the first Banjitsu master. And I didn't mention this before, but don't you see my friend Kai right up here? He is the owner of the dragon, who I built. The horns can move. His mouth can go open and close. His head can move around. Oh my gosh. Why does this thing keep moving off? And his neck can move up, down.
Very cool.
And he can do all that. So that's a great thing. So
all right.
That's all for today.